What is up, guys? It's your boy Jesse. Welcome guys back to another vlog. And in today's video, you guys will tune in shortly to I'm gonna get a haircut. So I think that's gonna be a part of the vlog, and we're actually hitting the Union game once again. You know, I'm a big Union fan, so and then possibly we might hit Asads Hot Chicken, the new location that they just opened up in Norristown. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please leave a like and comment if you guys do enjoy this video. We'll see you guys shortly. Alright guys, I just got to the barbershop. I just want to show you this before, and then this will be the, and this is the after, guys. I think, oh my god, I'm looking different. God damn, look. Yo, but this cut, not gonna lie, fits this hair. If it's a hairstyle, like, I just look nice. And I like how I got the beard done also, and my eyebrows got done. But yeah guys, we'll catch you next at Asads Hot Chicken. We about to fuck up some chicken. Alright guys, we just arrived here at the restaurant, and it looks like it's fucking packed. God damn. Yeah, but there's this new location, and it doesn't even have a sign on, but god damn, there's people still arriving. Ah damn. I put them on. Yo, but the suburbs be crazy. Alright guys, we just landed at the restaurant, right bro? We got some new menu items. We got the milkshakes over there. And también, I think I see a couple of one slider they didn't have at the other restaurant. Alright guys, we just got our food. Yo, this shit bussin'. This is certified bussin'. Look at that fucking look at that milkshake. Fucking now look at those burgers. I don't like coleslaw, so I didn't get coleslaw on mine. But yo, fucking cheese fries cooked and a milkshake. First taste of the milkshake, First taste of a milkshake. I haven't tasted the milkshake. That shit good. That shit good. I'm trying not to bump in. Alright. I think we already did a review on this, bro. But yo, anyways, this chicken looks smaller. Alright, ready? This shit good, bro. This shit gotta be the best thing, bro. This shit gotta be the best. We walking up to the game. I almost tarde. Stadium's right here. Okay, this way. Dile pues, dígalo. No lo voy a decir a la cámara. Okay, pues. Alright then. Chingin' nuts. Alright, I guess I'll see you guys in a little bit. Yo, that elevator was packed, bro. Yo, we had all these heads in the elevator. Yo, grítale, wey. Grítale. Arriba las Chivas. Liros, piénsale, wey.
No, güey, no. Tengo miedo.
Tiene miedo, Liros. Pero ahí vamos. Mira, para que vayan y digan. Ya me lo dirá. Ya empezó el juego.
Sácala ahí, mira.
Union.
The view's crazy from
Union. Ah, deja sacarlo. Union. Ay. Ya va Pachuca. Oh, we on the other side, bro. Yo. Pero Union. We all decked down the Union swag, bro. A ver, ¿qué dice Raúl? Bro, why you ugly as hell, bro? You ugly as hell, boy. Union. Yeah. No, no! Oh, thank God! Thank the Lord they didn't score on that one. God damn. Oh! 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 Ya menos se la pasaban. Ahí vamos, vamos. Ahí vamos. Oh, oh, it's wide open. Chaca, chaca, chaca. Ahí van, ahí van. Pensaba que era gol. Buena, yeah, Blake! Blake is black, thank God. Ahí van, ahí van. No. Ya para se fue. Buena. Mano, ¿qué no? Mano. Mano. What? La cagó, la cagó. Yeah. Let's go. ¡Hey! Hombre, estamos bien puercos los de Pachuca. Estamos bien puercos. Oh, no. Ahí van, ahí van, ahí van. Ahí van otra vez. Referee's getting in the way. Wait. Shoot. La cagó. Let's go. No la chingan. No, penal. No. Fue penal. Fue penal. No. No. Fue penal. Ya la cagaron, Pieces Union. Bate con su handball. No fue penal. Ahí va, ahí va, ahí va, ahí va. Ahí va, ahí va, ahí va. Ahí va, ahí va, ahí va. No fue penal. It is. Va a marcar penal. Let's go! Alright guys, it's 0-0, halftime. Pachuca looking pretty good, but the Union not looking good. But anyways, I'll catch you guys later. See what we score. If we score, I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, I'll see you guys. Wow, he faked me. Wait, no, let's go. Hey! Centrala! Goal! Hey! Oh my God! Damn. Oh, whoa! Oh, oh, no, gol. Pero no la caguen. Shoot. Hey. Instant free. Shoot. Shoot. Yeah. He was free. He was just watching the ball. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no.
Where's Chiquito, bro? Look at Chiquito.
Chiquito's open. Oh. Ah, no, no se la den. ¡Ena! Oh.
Ah, no.
What was that? Bro, we missed. Yo. No way, someone just missed it. Bro. Otra vez. Center. We got two. Damn! Bro, ain't no way they almost scored. Once again.
Some stoppage time in our second half.
3 minutes. 3 minutes is more. And the timer is 0-0. I mean, the score is 0-0. Not looking good, guys. It's not looking good. We're not looking good out here. With 3 minutes, Pachuca's looking promising though. I ain't gonna lie. They got more scores than we have. Oh, damn.
Ladies
Se
and
acabó.
gentlemen, final score here this evening, Pachuca 0, your Union 0.
Valimos pura riata. Ya nos vamos. Alright guys, we're about to leave. Thank you to YSC for us. Yeah. Por acá. Oh, no way, bro. No way we actually lost. And we didn't lose, we tied up. Yeah. Oh, we played horrible. Alright. Damn. I feel so bad. Yo, the cup, bruh. We got the conference cup. Damn. Damn, my bad. And they got the shield cup. Alright. Tengo puta madre de gente, mira. Damn. Pinche chango.
You would have fallen, bro.
Chango. Alright.
You would have fallen, I would have never invited you again. I swear, you would have never been invited again, bro.
Nah, Carlos is not for that.
I wasn't able to do it. I was trying to do it with no hands.
We here at Asads Chicken again. Asads Chicken for lunch, Asads Chicken for dinner. Y'all already know me. Yo, I don't even know what I'm gonna get, but let's get down and see what we're gonna get. All right, guys, we just finally got our food. So we got the scorching over here. We got the scorching with the extra hot. Oh, yo. I don't want to see no comments. You hit Asad's 2 days in a row. I don't want to see no comments about that because I'm Asad's favorite customer. All right. Your honest review.
You said 2 days in a row is crazy. You said 2 days in a row. I feel like it's not the same.
The same day. All right. All right. Try the chicken. Scorching. Let's see if it's hot.
No te puedes esperar, cara de verga.
Said camera gotta eat before.
Oh, that shit hitting. Oh.
Y se la haga aquí, no te quedes.
Hablo, verga. Está caliente. Verga, anda bien enchilado. Acá se me cabe toda el agua. No sé, Joseira. ¿Cómo está bueno, güey? This is Jose's first time trying it out. Oh, that's the second time, right? Tell him who put you on. Tell him who put you on, boy. Tell him who put you on. Y Raúl ni ha agarrado la comida. They're drawing Raúl's food. Alright guys, this is gonna be the wrap up of today's video. If you guys did like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.